Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google's Find My Phone application. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. First you're going to open the application. As you can see, it was already able to track and connect to my device. If you click on the phone icon, in the bottom right corner, the Google Maps icon will appear. If you click on that, it's going to open the Google Maps application, which will help track down your device. But of course, there are other helpful tools to find your device. If you swipe up, the first one is play a sound. If you click on that, it's going to play a sound. So if you are near to the device, it's going to help you find it. The second one is secure device. If you click on that, it's going to lock your device, and optionally it will display a message or a phone number that you are given. So if somebody finds it, they can return it to you. And the last one is erase device. If you click on that, it's going to erase everything on this phone, but after that you are not going to be able to track down this device with this application. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.